Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from GA4 property and stop tracking unwanted pages step by step clearly. To withdraw from a GA4 property, first, log into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin section located at the bottom left of the interface. In the admin panel, locate the property you want to withdraw from. Click on the property name to open the property settings. Scroll down to the property settings option. Here, you will see various configurations for your property. Find the Move to Trash Can option, usually located at the top right corner. Click on it and confirm your decision to move the property to the trash. Next, to stop tracking unwanted pages, go back to the admin panel. Under the Data Streams section, click on the web data stream that you're using. Select More Tagging Settings from the drop-down menu. Then click on Exclude URL Query Parameters. Add any URL parameters that you don't want to track. Next, go back to the Data Stream settings. Scroll down to the Advanced Settings section. Here, find Exclude Internal Traffic and click on it. Follow the setup to define which traffic should be excluded. If you need to exclude specific URLs, you will set up a filter. Go to the Filters section in the admin panel. Create a new filter and set the filter type to exclude. Specify the conditions under which you want to exclude certain pages. Make sure to save all changes before exiting the settings. By following these steps, you successfully withdraw from your GA4 property and stop tracking unwanted pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.